In marshes, and sometimes even in roadside ditches, we can see this very common bird in Michigan. It's a little bit smaller than a robin, likes to build its nest in wetlands, and sings from exposed perches. The field marks are that it's basically an all-black bird with red in the wings, which pretty much gives away the name of the species. Using the resources available to you, including field guides, bird identification apps, and especially the Merlin website, see if you can identify the bird we have just looked at, using the field marks and other characteristics and information that we discussed.